Sam and the Animals. Sam is at the zoo. He sees many trees and flowers. He also sees many birds. Some are big and some are small. Some can fly, some cannot. Do you know what else he sees? He sees many animals. Do you know the names of the animals he sees? It looks like a horse. It has black and white stripes. Sam sees a zebra. It is a tall animal. It has a very long neck. Sam sees a giraffe. It looks like a big cat. It has a very loud roar. Sam sees a lion. It looks like a big cat. It has black and yellow stripes. Sam sees a tiger. It is the biggest animal on land. It has a trunk. Sam sees an elephant. It likes to swing from trees. It eats bananas and nuts. Sam sees a monkey. It is found in the desert. It has a hump. Sam sees a camel.